when you order our boxes with our dazzling hardware, the way that we go about accommodating you on these is that we pre-drill the holes for you, so you do not have to worry about how these are going to go in. You're also going to get one of our kits right here that consists of the studs as well as the washers. I have already went ahead and put those on the back of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and take them off. That's how simply it goes in. Just make sure your hands are clean when you're handling these products, and then you just turn it over and simply just go ahead and be sure that you put the washers on there and just put the nut on there. Hand tightening should be sufficient. And it's now mounted on there. I've also went ahead and put the crown up. So this is going to go ahead and we're going to mount it up on the over the drapes.